Hey, hello, Eric is back. Eric on TV, Eric on TV. Hey, people, I invite you to subscribe my TV channel because we have a lot of surprises for you. Yes, now this is a good day. This is a great day because today I'm coming to show you my new lens. It's Yongnuo 50 millimeters. If you don't have a lot of money, and then if you have a low budget, and then this lens is for you. I recommend you this lens. Yongnuo, it's a China lens. This is the manual. Yeah, here's the cap. Yeah, and then people, if you are a photographer, if you make video clip, if you are a TV producer, then you have to buy this lens. It's a magic lens. You can do a lot of stuff with this lens. Yongnuo 50 millimeters. The advantage is you can use it with Nikon, with Canon, and other camera DSLR. Now you can see this is my last camera. I had four cameras. This is my last camera, Nikon 5100 D5100. And I will attach the Yongnuo. Yes, click. People, this is a very good lens. This is a very good lens. It has a very good aperture. The aperture is very good. Yeah. And then people, that's all. And then yeah, as you can see, you can put it in autofocus, autofocus manual, in autofocus, yeah, excuse me for my English. I know some of you will say, yeah, his English is very bad. Yes, I know that, but if I say something wrong, I'm ready for your comments. Yes, Eric on TV show. Yes, the best is still yet to come. People, subscribe on my TV channel because I have a lot of surprises for you. Yes, see you next time.